Hello friend, you are watching ER Coder channel, and in this video we will learn the full stack web development process and how can we achieve this development journey as a full stack uh, to make a full stack web developer engineer. So I will give you a brief introduction of the development process and some with the help of some question with answer. I will describe in brief to make sure when you will watch my complete video, you can learn lot of things. So from the topic, what the meaning of UI? UI is a user introduction, okay, and full stack web development. And what is the full stack? And apart from that, full stack developer who is the trending in software industry nowadays because all the employer are looking in an employee to considering as a employee is familiar with both technology like front end or back end because sometimes uh, industries need to more work in back end and sometimes to industry are shifting with front end with the more client are coming for the development or designing, so make sure all the employer are looking as a full stack developer nowadays. So second one is that software developer who can handle full stack developer who can handle end-to-end application process. What the meaning of application process or application development? It means when we working with front end with JavaScript or React library or with Angular, anything to be recommended by the client. So to design our theme, template, and entire dashboard, and then we working with backend with Node.js and MongoDB or any other database like MySQL and many other things database available in a market like Firebase and Amazon also provided the database. Oracle also provided the database and Microsoft. So this is the not the big thing, but main thing is that to considering the flow of full stack developer and how can be managed and to be create a RESTful API for connecting with front end like client side development. So these are the basic things to need for the making a good software engineer as a full stack. So developer can manage database, server side application and middleware. Middleware is nothing but it's a Express.js. When we say are looking any job portal profile, software developer profile like MUN full stack developer or main full stack developer means MEAN means MongoDB Express with Angular and main means MongoDB Express.js with React. So these are things like that. So middleware is a Express.js. Express.js is a Node.js library to be providing the facility to communicate database with client side application or server side application. I can say that. So these are the basic things. And how to be work with, how can we learn these skills as a front end or back end, so called full stack developer. So what we are going to learn in full stack, complete full stack development is a process of learning these things like HTML5, sorry for this, and CSS, Bootstrap is currently also be developed in 5, 4 and 3. These are the basic three Bootstrap library. And JS. JS is a JavaScript and jQuery is a JavaScript library. So make sure don't confuse both of them. And third one is React.js. React.js is a JavaScript also a library, and it provide the virtual DOM to be break our entire application in a multiple component, and component comes with reusable time, like when we design one specific part and then to render anywhere inside our application or development. So this is the provide the very facility and flexibility to make a more attractive design with few line of code, and not to be write all this time with same code or same thing like that. And and nowadays it's very trending skills is a React.js in a front end, I can say that. And also available the Vue.js and AngularJS and any and other thing. In server side technology, we are using Node.js because Node.js is a JavaScript runtime environment. It provides to communication to be connected with backend with client side or server side application. So this is the very basic thing. I will discuss in broad in this entire series, but this is the understanding video. So I hope that you can consider my opinion. And other one is database like MongoDB and MySQL. And MongoDB is to be work with the collection, and MySQL is working with row and column. So these are the basic difference between them. And something is better, sometime is better the node MongoDB, and sometime better MySQL. So not compare both of them. When we working live streaming or live chat application, when developer are considering the MongoDB database, not the MySQL. And middleware. Middleware is a like Express.js, and Express.js is nothing but it is a Node.js and server-side technology like Node.js library to be provide the middleware to communicate the database like MongoDB or MySQL with client side or server side like React, Vue, Angular, like that. So cross-platform framework for mobile app, when we looking development in mobile application, so we can consider both technology like React or Node.js. Some few things are different from web application or with or mobile application, but in basic principle and functionality and JS syntax are similar. So DOM rendering and our real DOM are using in AngularJS, and virtual rendering are working with React.js. So these are the basic things, nothing else. So make sure you can understand the entire full stack development process. So thank you to all my viewers, to best wishes for your journey to be learn full stack developer.